What's up, guys? F-Focus, and we are finally doing the long-awaited video on the updated version of empty standby memory to increase performance inside of Escape from Tarkov. Now, I know that the game is way more optimized than it was 4 years ago, so this probably isn't as needed as it was back then, but I still get comments on it to this day asking me if I can make an updated video or asking me if there's a new link that I can post. So I figured that I would just go ahead and make a new video on it. This right here, this link is dead, but we have means of going back to this web page thanks to some commenters. So let's go ahead and jump straight in. First thing you need to do is go to a Wayback Machine. Just literally type in Wayback Machine. It's an internet archive. Click on the first link and then use that URL that I have on the video. You can go back to the original video. I'll have it in the description on this video. And you can click it. You can use any date that actually has this old link. And all you have to do is go to any timestamp and it will take you to the original list, the original web page of this WJ32, which is the empty standby list.exe. Go ahead and click it. You will download it. And all we are going to do is put this on our C drive. You can title it whatever you want, the folder. I title it standby mem on my C drive. And I'm just going to drag this directly in here. And I've obviously done this quite a bit, it looks like. So I'm just going to get rid of the one, but it doesn't really matter. Mine's already set to administrator, but if it's not, right click it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure run this program as an administrator is checked. When that's done, this is all we need to do in the C drive. And we're currently letting this build up, but now we can go over here to our task. Just go ahead and create a task, title it whatever you want. Then we're going to click change user or groups. And again, like in the previous video, if I'm going too fast, you guys can pause always. Don't feel the need that you have to try and rush with me, but click on advanced, click on find now, scroll down to where you see system in all caps. Click on it, click OK, and it should say NT authority /system. If it's not, like I said in the original video, go back, find it, system all caps. We're going to check run with highest privileges and then check hidden. Then we're going to go to triggers, make a new trigger. We're going to have on a schedule one time, and then we're going to go down here to repeat task. This is total preference. You can click whatever you want here. This whole section for this new trigger is a preference. But if you want to repeat like mine, then you can follow my steps. So repeat task every 5 minutes for a duration of indefinitely, meaning when your computer's on, it's doing the task every 5 minutes. Click OK. Move over here to actions, click on new action, click browse, and then wherever you save this at on your C drive, mine's in standby mem, just go ahead and click and open with that. And that is it for the video. So click OK, we have a new task. If we actually click on our tasks here, if you don't see it, don't freak out, just click refresh here and you will see it. So standby mem, we created it at 2:53. So in 5 minutes, it's going to run the actual task. We don't have to wait for it. We can run it manually. So we're sitting at 620 megabytes of standby memory. Once I click run, it's going to drop this down to 0 again. And this always climbs, so don't freak out. And again, before people freak out in the comments, this is only to simulate a computer restart. This is no viruses. This isn't going to break your hardware. This isn't going to make you lag. If you're having any issue with that, you're more than welcome to put it down in the comments. Maybe somebody can help you. But I've been using this since I made that video 4 years ago, and I've never had any performance issue whatsoever by playing any game while running this. You don't have to run it. If you'd rather quit the game and restart the computer, you're more than welcome to do so. Or if you don't want this to be on the timer, you're more than welcome to load this task scheduler up, and you're more than welcome to run it manually, whatever you need to do. We don't have to flood the comments with nonsense. Just keep it clean, crisp, follow the tutorial, whatever you need to do. Here you go. You guys are welcome. Hit that like button, subscribe, share if you want to. And as always, enjoy.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.